So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another master lab, that is explore and create reports with Looker Studio. So first of all, click on start lab and open Looker Studio incognito window. Now here you have to click on sign in. In case you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now enter the credentials here. So basically here we have to create a blank report. So let me show you. In case you are unable to see, just zoom out, click on it, select India. You can select your country also. So for company, enter anything. Now click on continue and then select yes to all. If you are unable to see full contents, just zoom out. Now click on blank report. Now from here we have to connect our data using BigQuery. So copy the project name. Now here we need to authorize ourselves from the BigQuery. Click on authorize. Now select this. Make sure you select the student ID. Now click on shared project. So as you can see, you are unable to see here, just select your project ID. Now enter the shared project name. First you have to select the project ID, then you have to select the shared dataset. Now for dataset name you have to select e-commerce. So this is correct, but first have you selected the project ID and then second part the shared project name and here the dataset. So dataset is e-commerce. Now click on it. Now here we have to select sales report. So just type and select sales report, not sales by SKU. Now wait for it and then click on add to report. Wait for the page to fully load. So finally click on add to report. Now here when you will hit check my progress, you will get the score. So finally we are done with this lab. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.